Hello, good people. Welcome again to learning Kalenjin language. This is our lesson 3, and I welcome you all to get to learn the grammar, the common adjectives that we use, one in any other day as we converse using our language. We will also get to learn about colors, the common colors that we have. These are colors that are basically within the environment and extra colors of, for example, the colors that you get in mixing one or two color are not available in our vocabulary. So the basic colors that we had are colors that interact with the environment. So to start with the common adjectives, the first one is nice. Nice in Kalenjin we say kararan, kararan, kararan. For example, in a sentence, this clothes is nice. This cloth is nice. Kararan ingorioni. Kararan ingorioni. Funny, Mile Beach. Mile Beach. For example, Kipkoech is funny. You say Mile Beach, Kipkoech. You always start with the verb, the word with the adjective. Mile Beach, Kipkoech. Mile Beach, Kipkoech. And then patient, patient. Muitoin, muitoin. Example, teacher is patient. The teacher is patient. Muitoin mwalimu or muitoin kanetindet. Muitoin kanetindet. Intelligent. Ngom. Ngom. My child is intelligent. My child is intelligent. Ngom lakwenyu. Ngom lakwenyu. Shy. Nyogor. 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 Kibet. Nyogor. Kibet. Kibet is shy. Strict. Strict. Kolgol. Kolgol. Example, my father is strict. Kolgol baba nanyu. Kolgol baba nanyu. Difficult. Oi. 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 Oi koita. Oi koita. Strong. Kim. Kim. Kim Cheruta. Kim Cheruta. Cheruta is strong. And the next we go to colors. In colors, we have the first color as red. Pirir in plural, piriren. Example in a sentence. Piriren karatik, blood is red. Piriren karatik, blood is red. Piriren karatik. And then white, lel, lel. And then if there were plural lela chain, for example, clothes are white. You say lela chain in Goroik. Clothes are white. Lela chain in Goroik. And then tui, tui. That is to mean black. And then if there are many, we say tuen, tuen. Example in a sentence. Tui karit, tui karit. The car is black. Tui karit. And then yellow, tale lio, tale lio. In plural is the same. For example, tale lio simet. The phone is yellow. Tale lio simet. And then green, nyalil, nyalil. In plural is nyalilen, nyalilen. Example in a sentence, leaves are green. Nyalilen sagek, nyalilen sagek. Leaves here is sagek. And then brown, CTA. CTA. Example in a sentence, the cow is brown. You say CTA teta. CTA teta. And then gray, aruz. Or in plural, arusen. Arusen. Example in a sentence, ash. The ash is gray. We say arusen orek. Ash is gray. Arusen orek. So that is it. That's how we get to learn about colors with the common adjectives. Those are the colors that we have in our language. So next, I want us to go to learn about the expressions. We have the expressions of these words. The expression of the word, what is this? That's a question of asking. Or, what are these? What is that? And how do you answer that question? So we have this question. The first one is, what is this? Neni. What is this? Neni. And then, what are these? What are these? The plural of it, nechu. Nechu. And then, what is that? Something which is closer. What is that? Neno. And then, if the item is a bit firm, it is what is that? So we ask nenin. Nenin. And then the plural of it, we have what are those? Nature. Those are things which are not far. And then nature. Nature. And then if the items are far, is what are those? It becomes nechun. 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 And how do you respond to that? For example, the first one, if there's a question, neni, what is this? I'll say, it is a book. Niko kitabut. Niko kitabut. If it's a shirt, we say, negotiated. It is a shirt. Negotiated. It is a shirt. Negotiated. And then it is a dog. Negotiated. Negotiated. If it is a cow, we say ni koteta. So basically that's how we answer in those expressions. It's a question we normally ask each and every day. We use those words, so at least you know how to ask the question and how to also answer. Next, let's go through expression there is or there are. In English, we have there is. In Kalenjin, we say mite, or sometimes we have a short form or we say me. Me. You remove the te and then it becomes me. So, example in a sentence, mi lakwet ka. The kid is at home. Mi lakwet kai. Or mi te lakwet ka. And then next is there are. It's still the same, mi te. There's no difference if it's singular or in plural in Kalenjin. Examples. There is a book. Mi te kitabut. It's plural. Mi te kitabushek. There is a cat. Mi te busit. Mi te busit. Plural of it. Mi te busishek. There is firewood. Mi te kwendet. Firewood is kwendet. And then mi te kwenik. Mi te kwenik. So these are the words that we will be using quite often. And you also get to use them in your day-to-day life. So that is how the expressions are, how you express yourself in there is and there are. Let's go next. Now let's get to answer. As we've learned on asking a question, I also now want us, from what we've learned in our previous lesson, we had a lesson on wild animals. We also had some nouns of things that we used. So The question here is neni. Neni. The first picture, neni. So the answer will be nigosese. Nigosese. The second picture, neni. Neni. The answer will be nigogot. Nigogot. A house is called kot. Nigogot. Then the next one, neni. The third picture, neni. The answer is nikogarit. A car is called garit. Nigogarit. The fourth picture, neni. Neni. This is a cow. So the answer is nigoteta. Nicoteta. Sixth picture, we have a cup. Neni. Neni. The answer is ni kogigombet. Ni kogigombet. Then the next picture here, this is a donkey. So the question is neni. And then the answer is ni kosigiriet. Ni kosigiriet. And then the next picture, neni. Neni. This is a road. So we say nigoret. Nigoret. Road is oret. Ni ko oret. Nice one. So we continue still with the same. The first picture here in this slide, this is a granary. A granary in Kalenjin is called choget. So the question is neni. The answer is nigo choget. Nigo choget. And then this is a river. This is a river. The question is neni. Neni. The answer is ni coordinate. Ni coordinate. And then the last one, these are maize. So the question is, because it's in plural, we say nechu. Nechu. And the answer is chukobandek. 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 I hope you've learned about all answering a question of what is this, how to express yourself, and I hope you've had a wonderful experience on today's lesson. Thank you very much and see you in lesson number 4. Welcome.